What's going on, PC gaming fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best cheap PC cases in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these cases, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comments section for us. Before we get started, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video. And don't worry, we'll actually respond to your comments in a very timely manner. And with that said, let's get started. The first cheap PC case we're going to show you today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the AeroCool Cylon RGB Mid-Tower PC case. Next up, in our number 4 spot, we've got the Thermaltake Core V1 Cube Gaming Case. Coming up next, in our number 3 spot, we've got the NZXT H510 Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. Are you enjoying our product suggestions so far? If so, go ahead and hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Coming up next, in our number 2 spot, we've got the Focus G case by Fractal Design. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Cougar MX330G Mid-Tower PC case. Alright, PC gaming fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which cheap PC gaming case you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.